Hi, I am Florence Mayfair, and welcome to Mayfair Astrology, where we decode the universe and uncover its cosmic secrets. Today, we're not just talking about astrology, we're talking about healing. Because if you've ever had your heart broken, you know it's not just your emotions that ache. Sometimes it feels like the very stars inside you have dimmed. But what if your birth chart held clues to your personal healing process? In astrology, each zodiac sign carries a unique emotional language, not just for how they love, but for how they grieve, process loss, and eventually rebuild their heart. Some signs retreat into solitude, others search for meaning in the stars. Some need to talk until every word is out, while others need silence to make sense of their pain. When you understand your cosmic healing style, you stop fighting yourself and start honoring the way you were meant to heal. Before we begin, I have something to support you on this journey. Download my free guide, 12 Rituals to Harness the Power of the Moon, along with your 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner. The moon, ruler of our emotions, plays a powerful role in how we release, process, and ultimately let go. These tools can help you align with lunar cycles to support your healing. The link is waiting for you in the description below. Let's walk this path together. Your healing, guided by the stars, begins now. Let's begin. Aries, healing through action. How Aries hurts. Aries, ruled by Mars, processes heartbreak as a personal defeat. They hate losing, especially in love. How Aries heals. Aries heals through movement and reinvention. They need to prove to themselves that no heartbreak can break their spirit. Example, Lady Gaga, Aries' sun, has repeatedly channeled personal loss into bold creative reinventions, turning heartbreak into art, action, and evolution. Cosmic tip. Aries, healing doesn't mean slowing down, it means redirecting your fire toward yourself. Taurus, healing through stability. How Taurus hurts. Taurus, ruled by Venus, associates love with security and permanence. Breakups feel like their foundation is crumbling. How Taurus heals. They need to rebuild a sense of comfort through home rituals, good food, and grounding sensory experiences. Example, Adele, Taurus sun, poured heartbreak into her music, but also retreated into the comfort of her personal space and creative sanctuary. Cosmic tip. Taurus, rebuild your world, one beautiful detail at a time, healing lives in routine. Gemini, healing through words. How Gemini hurts. Gemini, ruled by Mercury, overthinks every word said and unsaid, replaying conversations endlessly. How Gemini heals. They process through expression, talking it out, journaling, even oversharing until they understand their own feelings. Example, Angelina Jolie, Gemini sun, has always been open about personal struggles, using public platforms to process her experiences. Cosmic tip. Gemini, let the words flow. Healing starts when you let your inner dialogue see daylight. Cancer, healing through emotional ritual. How Cancer hurts. Cancer, ruled by the moon, bonds deeply and remembers everything. The loss feels like losing family. How Cancer heals. They need ritual and closure. Writing letters to their ex, keeping symbolic objects, or nurturing themselves the way they once nurtured their partner. Example, Selena Gomez, Cancer sun, has openly processed heartbreak through deeply emotional music and storytelling. Cosmic tip. Cancer, your heart heals when you honor the past, not erase it. Leo, healing through reclaiming power. How Leo hurts. Leo, ruled by the sun, takes heartbreak personally. It's a blow to their sense of worth. How Leo heals. They reclaim the spotlight, physically, emotionally, and socially. New looks, creative projects, and glow-ups aren't vanity, they're survival. Example, Jennifer Lopez, Leo rising, reinvents herself after every heartbreak, turning endings into emblems of personal power. Cosmic tip. Leo, you heal when you fall in love with your reflection again. Virgo, healing through service and self-improvement. How Virgo hurts. Virgo, ruled by Mercury, can't help but analyze what went wrong, often blaming themselves too much. How Virgo heals. Through purpose and practical self-care. They clean, organize, work, and slowly rebuild their world. Example, Keanu Reeves' Virgo sun turned personal grief into a life of quiet service, philanthropy, and mindful work. Cosmic tip, Virgo, healing comes not from fixing the past, but from refining your future. Libra, healing through beauty and rebalancing. How Libra hurts. Libra, ruled by Venus, feels heartbreak as a loss of balance. Partnerships are their anchor. How Libra heals by redecorating their life, both literally, home makeovers, style refresh, and emotionally, seeking harmony within. Example, Kim Kardashian, Libra rising, often redefines her aesthetic and public image after personal upheavals. Cosmic tip, Libra, become your own muse. Healing starts when you see beauty in your own reflection again. Scorpio, healing through transformation. How Scorpio hurts. Scorpio, ruled by Pluto, modern, and Mars, traditional, experiences heartbreak as death and rebirth. How Scorpio heals. By diving deep into the shadow work, unearthing buried pain, and emerging stronger than ever. Example, Katy Perry, Scorpio sun, has repeatedly transformed herself after heartbreak, shedding skin and reinventing her identity. Cosmic tip, Scorpio, your healing is alchemy. Pain becomes power, but only if you face it head on. Sagittarius, healing through expansion. How Sagittarius hurts. Sagittarius, ruled by Jupiter, feels heartbreak as a loss of freedom and adventure. How Sagittarius heals. They need new horizons, whether through literal travel, learning something new, or chasing a bold dream. Example, Taylor Swift, Sagittarius rising, has made global tours and creative reinventions her signature post-breakup move. Cosmic tip, Sagittarius, healing lives in the journey ahead, not the one left behind. Capricorn, healing through rebuilding. How Capricorn hurts. Capricorn, ruled by Saturn, processes heartbreak as failure, the collapse of something they invested in long term. How Capricorn heals. By rebuilding stronger foundations, setting higher goals, and proving to themselves they're unbreakable. Example, Michelle Obama, Capricorn sun, turned personal and marital struggles into deep self-reflection, growth, and a platform for inspiration. Cosmic tip, Capricorn, healing is a project. Build yourself back brick by brick. Aquarius, healing through perspective. How Aquarius hurts. Aquarius, ruled by Uranus, modern, and Saturn, traditional, intellectualizes heartbreak but fears being too different to be loved. How Aquarius heals. Through seeking meaning, diving into astrology, philosophy, activism, or innovative projects to transmute pain into purpose. Example, Oprah Winfrey, Aquarius sun, turned her struggles into a global platform for wisdom and healing. Cosmic tip, Aquarius, you heal when you remember. Your uniqueness is your gift, not your curse. Pisces, healing through art and surrender. How Pisces hurts. Pisces, ruled by Neptune, dissolves into heartbreak, often confusing love with soul purpose. How Pisces heals. Through art, spirituality, and creative expression, turning tears into poetry, songs, or spiritual awakening. Example, Rihanna, Pisces sun, has consistently transformed heartbreak into chart-topping music that resonates with millions. Cosmic tip, Pisces, your heart heals through creation and connection with the divine. Let your art become your altar. Heartbreak changes us, but astrology teaches us that healing isn't about becoming someone new. It's about remembering who you've always been, even after love breaks you open. Your birth chart holds more than just your personality. It holds the map to your emotional resilience. When you understand how your sign processes loss, seeks closure, and finds meaning after heartbreak, you stop trying to heal the way others do and start honoring your own cosmic rhythm. If today's video helped you see your healing journey with new eyes or gave you comfort in knowing you're not alone, I'd love to hear your story. What's your zodiac sign, and what has helped you heal in the past? Share it in the comments, because while our charts are unique, heartbreak is something we all understand. And if you want even more support, don't forget to download my free guide, 12 Rituals to Harness the Power of the Moon, along with your 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner. the moon, ruler of emotions and memory, helps us move through the tides of heartbreak with grace. You'll find the link in the description below. If today's video brought you clarity or even just a little comfort, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can keep walking this cosmic journey together. Thank you for trusting me with your heart today, and until next time, keep looking to the stars.